Have you ever wandered through a sun-drenched meadow and noticed a tall, fuzzy plant standing out among the wildflowers? With its striking stalk and vibrant yellow blooms, this plant is more than just a beautiful sight in the wild. It is known as mullein, an unassuming herbal giant that has captured the attention of healers for many centuries. Today, we are diving into why this plant has become a staple in traditional wellness and respiratory support. Mullein is perhaps most famous for its unique ability to act as a powerful ally for your respiratory system. When you are feeling under the weather, it works as a natural expectorant to help clear your airways. It functions by soothing irritated tissues and helping to loosen stubborn mucus that often accompanies a common cold. This gentle action makes it a favorite for those seeking a more natural way to support their breathing comfort. Whether you are battling a seasonal cough or just feeling a bit congested, mullein offers a time-tested solution. Its long history of use suggests that nature often provides exactly what we need to feel our best again. Now, let us look at how you can easily prepare this remarkable herb right in your own rustic kitchen. The process begins with high-quality, dried organic mullein leaves, which you can find at most local herbal shops. Take a small handful of these dried leaves and place them carefully into a clean, empty glass jar. Next, prepare your favorite stainless steel infuser to hold the herb while it steeps in the hot water. Pour boiling water over the leaves, allowing them to expand and release their beneficial properties into the liquid. Let the mixture steep for several minutes until the tea takes on a rich, golden, and inviting color. However, there is one golden rule you must follow whenever you are preparing mullein tea for yourself. You must always strain the liquid through a fine cloth or a very high-quality, dense mesh filter. This step is absolutely critical because the leaves are covered in tiny, soft hairs that can be quite irritating. If these microscopic hairs are swallowed, they can cause a scratchy sensation in the back of your throat. By taking the time to strain it properly, you ensure a smooth, soothing, and truly comforting tea experience. But the utility of this versatile plant does not stop at just a warm and cozy mug of tea. You can also use cooled mullein infusions as a gentle compress for various minor external discomforts. Simply soak a clean cotton cloth in the cooled tea and apply it directly to minor skin irritations. Many people also find that a warm, strained infusion can be used to help soothe minor ear discomfort. It is truly fascinating how one simple plant can offer so many different ways to support your daily wellness. If you are feeling curious, why not add a natural touch to your routine and steep a cup today? The earthy flavor pairs beautifully with a touch of raw honey, making it a delightful treat for your senses. As you enjoy your tea, take a moment to appreciate the simple, effective power found in the natural world. Before you begin your journey with new herbs, it is important to keep a few safety precautions in mind. Always consult with your trusted healthcare provider before incorporating any new herbal remedies into your daily life. This is especially vital if you are currently pregnant, nursing, or taking any kind of prescription medication. Your health is unique, and professional guidance ensures that you are making the best choices for your body. We hope this guide has helped you understand the potential benefits of adding mullein to your holistic toolkit. If you found this information helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more. Stay tuned for more insights into the wonderful world of herbal wellness and nature's many hidden remedies.